Assalamu alaikum students. So from here we discussed the another incident that was happening with the Tapan, and this incident was about a fierce ox. Fierce ox means a wild ox. So let's start. There was another incident a few days later. It concerned a fierce ox which was menacing the locality. Means that incident was about fierce ox, and that ox was creating menacing means that ox become a danger and it creating a trouble for the locality. It had injured several people. If anyone approached it with a stave कहते हैं डंडे को. If anybody tried to control that ox with his stave, then in return it would charge at them. Charge at them means it would attack them. Everyone was terrified of it. सभी उससे डरे हुए थे. इसी वजह से because it attacked the people, so everybody is terrified of it. The effrontery of the animals arose. Effrontery कहते हैं एरोगेंस, गुस्ताखियाँ, मतलब उसकी हरकतें, उसकी जो वाइल्ड एक्ट्स थे वो बहुत बढ़ चुके थे. एंड दैट अरोज द तपन्स स्प्रिट. वेट यू बिग बुली, आई विल टेम यू. सो ही सेड दैट आई विल कंट्रोल यू. अब मैं तुम्हें कंट्रोल करके देखता हूँ. ही मम्बल्ड. ड्यूरिंग द स्कूल ब्रेक ही ब्रॉट अ stave and a piece of string and slowly approached the ox. So what he do during the school break, he brought a stave, वो एक डंडा लेकर आया and a piece of string, and he moved towards that ox. Waiting for the right opportunity, he jumped onto its back and put the string in the mouth of as if bridling a horse. So when he got the right opportunity, he jumped onto its back and he put that string in the mouth of the ox as we are bridling a horse. जैसे हॉर्स को लगाम लगाई जाती है ना, हॉर्स को कंट्रोल किया जाता है, जस्ट उसी तरह से उसमें ऑक्स को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश. The ox was taken by surprise, but the moment it felt the weight on its back, it started stamping and buckling. But when the ox felt weight on its back, जब उसे महसूस हुआ अपने वेट पे, अपनी बैक पे कोई वजन महसूस हुआ, then it started stamping and buckling. उसने कूदना उछलना शुरू कर दिया. It broke into a gallop. गैलप कहते हैं लंबी लंबी जोर जोर से कूदना, छलांगे लगाना, and hopping to throw a tormentor of its back. Tormentor means अ पर्सन और एनिमल्स हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू कॉज फिजिकल पेन. मतलब कोई किसी को फिजिकल पेन पहुंचाने की कोशिश जो करता है उसे टॉर्मेंटर कहते हैं. तो हियर द टॉर्मेंटर इज तपन, because he is trying to control the ox by putting string in its mouth. So that's why it is said that he is trying to throw that tormentor out of its back. Meanwhile, the school break was over and the class had resumed. The school break is over and all the children go back to their classes, but Tapan was busy taming the ox. He managed to keep himself on the back of the tossing, buckling bronco. ब्रोंको कहते हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल को. सो वो ट्राई कर रहा था, कोशिश कर रहा था उसे कंट्रोल करने की, अपने आप को किसी तरह उसके बैक पर मैनेज करने की, होल्डिंग दी स्ट्रिंग फर्मली. ही पैटेड द ऑक्स बैक दैट फर्दर एंड्रेज द एनिमल्स. उसने उसकी कमर पे, उसकी बैक पे जैसे मारते हैं ना एनिमल्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए, दैट फर्दर एंड्रेज. एंड्रेज मीन्स उसने और ज़्यादा उस एनिमल्स के ऑक्स के गुस्से को बढ़ा दिया. It crashed into the school compound and then into the room of class 7th. And what happened? Now that ox entered into the school compound and then to the class 7th where the students were studying. The ox entered into the class. The teachers and students were petrified. Petrified means डर जाना. जाहिर है एकदम से स्कूल क्लास के अंदर आपके ऑक्स आ जाए तो क्या होगा. All the peoples were terrified. So same condition was there and scattered in all directions, shoving and pushing their way out of the classroom. Now everybody was trying to push themselves out of the classroom. सब कोशिश कर रहे थे किसी तरह क्लास से भाग जाने की. In the stampede, many of them stumbled and fell. स्टैम्पीड कहते हैं भगदड़ में, ये जो एकदम हलचल सी मच गई थी. मैनी ऑफ देम स्टम्बल, तो बहुत से तो इस वजह से गिर गए, एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरने लगे. द टीचर रजनी सहारिया मैनेज टू एस्केप unhurt by running outside, and one of the teacher who was in the class at that time, her name was Rajni Saharia, and she managed to escape unhurt by running outside. Several glass panes were broken by the horns of the wildly prancing animal. prancing कहते हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल अनकंट्रोल हो जाता है, जिस उसमें जब वो हरकतें करता है तो इस एनिमल की वजह से काफ़ी ग्लास पेन्स वगैरह जो थे बहुत बहुत नुकसान हो गया था, सब टूट गए थे। फाइनली द डेज ऑक्स bellowing desperately into the school field and fell on its side. A few seconds later it jumped up and ran for its life without a backward glance, and now the ox trying to um, save his life, and अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वो सब तरफ इधर उधर सब जगह भागने लगी स्कूल में।